Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to update your graphics driver. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now to update your graphics driver, first of all go to Start and search for Device Manager. And you can see on the top here is Device Manager. Click on this and over here you'll find the several options. Now go to this display adapter. And over here you can see here's our graphics. Now click on one which you want to update. Now I'll update this NVIDIA graphics card. Now I'll right click and you can see here is update driver. Click on this and you can find these options. If you have a driver on your computer, you can just click on this browse my computer. But if you don't have any, you can see here is source automatically and update. Now I'll go with this source automatically and update. And you can see our system is automatically searching for updates on our graphics card. It will take some time and update our graphics card. So yes, in my case it is done. You can see the base driver for a device is already installed. That means my graphics card is up to date. But if there is any update, you'll get it over here. So in this way, we can update our graphics card on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.